Hello, a very good morning, friends, and welcome to my channel. Uh, okay, so today's topic is the YAML. Okay, you must have heard about the YAML. That's why you're here. Okay, so we'll discuss some good points about the YAML and the other formats like JSON and other things. Okay, so previously what happened like XML is widely used, right, for sending the information from one place to another place, right? So after that, now the JSON is coming, right? JSON is getting very much popular. Even I am a big fan of JSON, right? Now we have one more language, that is the YAML. Okay, the main advantage of YAML over the JSON is that it is very simple and very human readable. Okay, when your JSON become big, it's become a bit of unreadable, right? You cannot edit your JSON very easily because there are a lot of curly braces, lot of colons, and etc. etc. So in case of hierarchical structure, JSON is not a good fit. At least this is my thinking. Okay, you may differ. But if you today we will see the YAML advantage of YAML. Okay, so hope this session will go. Uh, you will able to understand the power of YAML in this session. Okay, so just to brief you, what I am planning to cover in this. See, I am planning to cover the basic YAML, basic understanding. Okay, some difference advantage of over JSON or other format, right? Basic understanding. Then reading a how to read a YAML, how to write a YAML, and the important point is pointers. Okay, and how to create the list and how to create the maps, etc., etc. We'll see everything. Okay, pointer is one of the most important feature of YAML. So make sure that you understand this particular topic. Okay, fine, friends. So let's go step by step. Okay, so see, uh, the main question comes in our mind is what is the difference between YAML and JSON? Should I opt for a JSON or should I opt for a YAML or what? Right? People are confused. Okay, so one of the main to answer your query is whenever you are if there are two different systems are involved. Suppose you have created something and you are sending some information and some other system is consuming your data, right? In that case, JSON is the best thing. Okay, but if you have a simple project, your in-house project, like your development or automation or whatever your project have, okay, and then I think you can go for the YAML. And if you have a hierarchical kind of structure, suppose let's say there is a parent, child, kind of big data is there, then I definitely ask you to go for the YAML. Okay, but if it is simple data, you can either go for JSON or you can either go for YAML. Okay, this is my understanding. Okay, these are the lot of sites are there. You can just refer that, right? Okay, we'll see all this point. Whatever is written here, we'll see in terms of coding, right? Okay, so this is the YAML website, official website. So we can see there are a lot of libraries present in the market who helps us to read and to pass the YAML. Okay, so out of them, I will recommend you go for the Snake YAML. Okay, this is well tested and from many years this is being used. Okay, so I'm a big fan of Snake YAML. So we'll see some example on Snake YAML and we'll see some example on Jackson. Jackson is not written here, but yeah, Jackson also gives support for the YAML parsing. Okay, fine. So let me close this. Okay, so just see these are the YAMLs. Okay, few syntax is there. These are some. So just to give you some information, see this is the YAML. Okay, like Martin, then name, key value, these are the key value. Then this is a list. Okay, so under the skills we have written the Python, Perl, Pascal. So this is a list of skills. Okay, this is again a list of skills. This is a normal key value kind of thing. Okay, so this is very easy to understand. A layman or a means non-technical person can easily understand your this particular YAML, right? But JSON is a bit difficult to read. these are the some JSON examples. Okay, this is a bit technical, or people feel that this is a technical, even though JSON is not that much technical. But right, if you do some editing in JSON, then it become a nightmare. Okay, so so after this session, you decide on yourself, or at least try with YAML. Okay. Okay, friend. So before going to the code, see, this is the dependency you need to import from the Maven. Okay, Snake YAML. Okay, 1.21 version I am using. Okay, now let's don't waste much time, and let's go to the code directly. Okay, so this is the basic test I have written here. Okay, what I am here doing, I am converting a string, a normal string, to Java map. Okay, in just one line of code. Okay, see, we have initialized a YAML. Okay, simple. And after that, there is a string which is separated by colon. Okay, so this is a key, this is a value in terms of Java hash map, right? So what we have used this load method of YAML. So YAML.load string, it will directly convert to the hash map. Simple, as simple as that. See, in one line we have converted a string into a hash map. And if I will call map.get hello, then it will print 25, right? The value of key. Key is our uh, hello, right? So see, 25 has been printed, right? So let's go to the next example. Okay, what I am doing here, I am converting multiple string, okay, multiple string line into the hash map. Okay, so see, this is the key name separated by colon, name Joe. Slash n is for new line, then again phone number, then the address. Okay, this is clear, right? Let's go further. So again, the same method which we have seen previously, YAML.load string, it will convert. This time we are converting into the object, or we can directly convert into the hash map also. Okay, I have shown you the steps so that there is one more aspect, like whenever you are converting YAML.load, so this is actually converted to the linked hash map. Okay, so if I print object.get class, so the type of the class will be linked hash map. Okay, we'll see that. And after that, we have simply converted to the hash map using that. Okay, so see, now if I will call the map.get name, so the name value, which is Joe, will get print out. Okay, so let me run this particular method. See, the linked hash map has been printed, the name Joe, and this is the complete hash map. Okay, complete map, key value, key value, key value has been printed, right? So see how easy is this, right? In single line, we are able to convert a string into a map. Okay, now the actual example. So basically, in practical life, you will be having a file. Okay, so this is important to understand how to read a file and convert into the map, right? Okay, so one more thing, you can either use YAML spelling as YAML, or you can use it as YML. Okay, there is no difference. YAML understand both extensions. Both are valid extensions. Okay, so we are using here YAML, YAML, right? Okay, so see what we have done. We have given a path of the file here, right? I will show you this file, basic.yaml. See, so I have written here three key value. Okay, okay, three pair of key value. So this is my simple. So you can also use YAML in the your properties file, right? In your project, we have a property file from where we are reading some properties, right? So you can replace that dot property file with YAML file. Okay, that will be a good experience. Okay, fine. So see, I have given a path here, and using the file input stream, I read this particular file and converted into the map. See, again, YAML.load, just it accepting a file parameter, right? So this way we are able to read this particular YAML file. And if we will print map, so map will get printed. So let me run this particular code. See, this complete file has been read and the map has been printed. Fine, friends. So this is very, very easy language. And the main advantage is readability. This is highly readable, highly readable, right? Okay, let's go to the next topic. Okay, we'll once again read a YAML. This time, the YAML structure has been a bit I have created a hierarchy kind of thing. So what I want to show you, there is a header. Okay, like you can mention here stage, dev, QA, or whatever environment kind of thing you can give here, and you can give the respective keys. Okay, so so here I have shown you the list of hash map. Okay, so see, there are three lists, one, two, and three, right? And within a list, there is a map, key value, right? So it's a list of hash map I have created here, right? Okay, so we'll see the code of this. See, we have created a class called child. Okay, child will represent the unit, the basic unit of our YAML file. Okay, the smallest unit in our file is this key and value, right? This is repeating again and again. So this is the smallest unit. So I have created two strings. One is photo ID, one is category, and make sure this is very important point. YAML is a case sensitive language. Okay, so if I am giving here photo ID with capital I and categories in small, so you have to make sure that photo ID is written as it is and category it is written as it is here. Otherwise, it will not run. Okay, we'll see that also. So let me show. Photo ID, I have written capital D here. Okay, capital D. Okay, and here there is a small d. Okay, let me check if it run or not. Wow, right? So there is a big exception. That exception is cannot create properties equal to child for placeholder blah 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 blah, right? So YAML is not able to understand. So the mapping has been lost. So we have to make sure that mapping is correct. Okay, so YAML, fantastic thing in YAML is it is actually mapping a normal YAML file with the code, with the Java code. Okay, it is bridging the gap. Okay, so now the mapping is correct. So let me run now. It should run, right? See, code has been run. Okay, so what we have done, I will show you. So this is clear, right? We have created two units, two strings. Then these are the getter setter, auto-generated getter setter, and the two string, right? We have given. Now, now we need a placeholder which will actually hold the complete YAML. Okay, so you can create any name. Okay, ABC Apple, whatever you like it. Okay, we have created a class name as placeholder. Under that, I have created a list of child. Okay, so what is child? We have seen child is this class, right? So it contains two string, key value, right? So what I have created a list of. So this is one child. This is one child and this is third child, right? So there are three child. So list of child, you got it? Okay, one more point, one more important point. See, here I have written child in small. So I need to make sure that the object name in this class should be in small. Again, same thing. If this is not matching, then this will not going to run. Okay, so mapping should be correct. I'm repeating. Okay, list of child, again getter setter, two string, simple. So your code is complete, right? And this code can be auto-generated also. I will show you that how. Okay, but I have written myself all these classes. I have written myself both the classes. Okay, okay. Now this is the test placeholder. This is a test class. Okay, see what we have written. We have taken the path of the YAML. Okay, then we have created a placeholder object under the try block. What we have done, see, load as. Okay, this time we are using the load as method rather than using load. It is accepting two parameters. One is the reader object, another is the placeholder class reference. Okay, so this is the YAML path. This is the file reader code, right? This will simply read the file. But now we are rather than converting directly to a hash map, we are converting into a class. Okay, we need the class object. Earlier, see, uh, I will show you again. Earlier, what we are doing here, we are using a load method here, only load without as. This is accepting only the path. See here, only path is file path it required and it is directly converted to a hash map. But right now we don't need hash map. What we want to populate this object. Okay, this parent object. We need the parent object. Okay, we don't need hash map. So this way, what we have done, we are passing two parameter in this load as method. One is the file and another is a placeholder dot class. Okay, it's a reference of placeholder, right? So this way placeholder object will get populated and we have printed the placeholder. Okay, see the output. Placeholder child 1, photo ID 11, smoke, category smoke. Then photo ID 12, category is regression. Photo ID 3, 13, and the category is regression. Okay, so see, look at this file. 11, 12, 13, smoke regression. Exactly the same has been converted into the parent class, placeholder class, right? So you got it right. Okay, so we are talking about how to generate this code automatically. Okay, just copy your YAML. Okay, before that, these are some sites. Click on the go. It will show you your file is valid. Okay, this is the first thing. Okay, and if we'll change the structure, let's say I have written something else. Okay, so it will definitely say that your structure is not correct. Let me check. Let me click on see unknown. Didn't find expected. Whatever. Right. So so this file is not valid. So we can remove this extra curly braces which we have added. Now we will again click on the go. See, YAML is valid. Okay. So using these sites, there are a lot of sites. You can go and check your YAML file. Okay. Okay, now this is a awesome site, JSON Okay, it actually converts a JSON to POJOs. Okay, and we can also use a YAML here. Okay, see, added my verified YAML here. Okay, I have clicked the YAML radio button here. I have selected the language Java. Now class name, we have to give a class name here. Example, let's say, okay, in my case, I have given a placeholder name. So let's give the same name, placeholder. Okay, I have written my class. Now everything is, I am not touching any other thing. Okay, Jackson C. So this will convert to the Jackson library. Okay, Snake library support is not given, but we can still generate the Pojo and can use it. Okay, just give me a minute. Okay, friends, so see, this code has been auto-generated, right? See the beauty of this website. So this is the placeholder class. This is the child class. This is the string photo ID, string category, getter setters has been generated. Everything has been, this is the second class placeholder has been generated, and this is the list of child. Okay, so you don't have to worry about. So you can simply just copy paste your YAML and all the pojos will get auto generated using this particular site, right? And see, I don't like lot of annotations. So this is very, very, very means uh, a lot of code is there, right? So what I generally prefer, I generate my pojos from here and I delete all these things. You delete all these imports, okay, whatever the imports are written, or remove all the codes here, like remove this particular thing, remove this, etc. You remove everything and just keep very simple code, okay, which is actually required. Or if you don't want to do that, okay, you can use directly use that pojos, okay, no issue in that also. Okay, fine. So we have seen this particular example, right? How to read a YAML. Okay, fine. So let's quickly go to the write section. Okay, so here we are going to write a YAML. We will see how we can write a YAML. Okay, I have deleted that particular file. Fine. So see, let me close other. Okay, so this is the base class. Okay, this is the parent class, human. We have added few integers, strings, and boolean here. We have again added the getter setters and the toString. Okay, now we have created a child which extends parent here, and we have added one more parameter, one more variable string as a learn. Okay, so there are 5 parameters altogether, right? Simple structure. Now we will see. This method will create a student, okay, and create and return a student. We have created a student object. We have called all the setters with some values, okay, and we have simply return it. Okay, this is a simple method, right? You understand? Okay, so in the main method, what we have, I have called this create student method. So the student object will get populated, and what we have written here, we have initialized a YAML. We have see given the path of the file which we need to write, okay, and this data file has been passed. Then again, so the system.get property will fetch the property till your source package, and after that we have appended the our this particular path. Okay, so this string will contain the exact path starting from your C drive. Okay, everything. So we get the complete path. Then YAML.dump. Dump is the method which will dump this particular student which has been populated earlier into this particular file. That's it. Only one line method, YAML.dump, and this will dump our data, complete data into the YAML file. Okay, we'll run it. Okay, done. So we will refresh this particular folder. See, this file has been generated, right? We will open it and see. This YAML file has been created. We can check the validity of this YAML here, whether this is a valid YAML or not. Yes, this is a valid, and see, it has beautified the YAML. So key value, all the age, all this thing. Okay. Best case is the boolean, so true and everything. Learn is given in the child class, and rest things are given in the parent class, right? So this YAML file has been printed. Okay, fine friends. So we have learned the basics of YAML. We have seen how to read it, how to write it, right? So let's see some more example. Uh, this one is same. Okay, so this is using the Jackson. Okay, I have few examples which I have created using the Jackson. This is also a very good library. Okay, so see what we are doing here. We are reading this particular YAML. So understand the YAML structure here. This is very important. Here we have given a key, simple value, key value again. Okay, now we have given an address. Under the address, we have these key value pairs. Okay, so this is a map under the address. Okay, now roles. Under the roles, we have given user editor. Okay, so this is a list of a string, right? This is a list of string under the roles. Okay, this is the structure I have given here. Okay, now we'll see the class for this. What we have given here, string name, integer age, okay, and then map. There is a map and there is a list. Okay, so map and list. For address, we have used a map. For roles, we have used list. Why? See, I will show you once again. This is a map for address. Key value, key value, key value. So this is not a key value. This is a list. User, editor, director, etc., etc. Right? So this is a list. So that's why we have taken role as a list of string, and for address we have taken a map, and for the rest thing we have simply used a string and integer. Got it? Again, the getter setter, simple class. Now the code. Come to the see. This is the import. We have imported the Jackson this time. Okay, so you just take the Jackson jars from the Maven repo, and this is the code. See, the style of this Jackson is a bit different. So here we have to create the object mapper. Okay, object mapper, and under that we have passed the new YAML factory. Okay, so now we have created a user object. Okay, and we have created a file here. We have given the path. You can see here the path of the read user YAML has been passed to this particular object file. And see, this is the method object mapper dot read value from this file and pass and we have passed the reference. Okay, and the reference of user dot class has been given. Okay, so this way, and in snake YAML also we have the same kind of where there we are using the YAML dot load, right? Load as, right? We are using load as. Here we have this method read value. Okay, so libraries have different method, but almost structure is exactly same. In one line, everything is happening. Okay, so this code will populate the user object, and here I have printed few value like user dot get name, user dot get role, user get address, etc. Okay, so let me run this particular code. See, so get name test user, then the roles is a list. See the bracket. See, look at these brackets. So this is a list, that's why it is printed as a list. And address is a key map, right? So it has been printed as a map. Inside the curly braces, key equal to value, comma, key equal to value, again comma, key equal to value, right? So see the beauty of YAML, right friends? So I have one more. So the next is the pointers, right? That is a big topic. So I'm ending this particular chapter here. In the next video, we will see the pointers one, or pointers in YAML, right, friends? Thanks for watching my video. If you have any question in the YAML, just please comment, put your questions in the comment section, right? Hope you like the videos, and just I am doing the preparation for the next video, right? Okay, friends, have a good day. Take care of yourself. Okay, bye bye.